Until now, I have showed you the recipes which are very common and popular, but today it's time for a very unique dish. I am sure none of you have tried that before. It is called Tamatar ke pakode. Okay, let's not dramatize it. It is tomato pakodas. You may have heard about pakodas, but this is tomato pakodas. So let's look at the masala for this. So friends, we have this tomato over here and we took the pulp out of it, and this is how it looks now. So the other ingredients are mashed potatoes, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, mango powder, bay leaves, and coriander. Alright guys, let's begin making the food. So now guys, we took a pan and the oil is heating up. So now we're gonna add bay leaves. And if you want, you can add coriander, but I personally don't like coriander in my dish. So if you guys want, you can add this in it. So now we're gonna turn off the burner. And then add all of the masalas in it. And now we're gonna mix it. And then add the mashed potatoes. So guys, as I mentioned earlier, you had to turn off the burner because we didn't want our masalas to get burned. And we have added the potatoes and salt. I forgot to mention that before. And now let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. And now guys, we have cooked our masala for the last 5 minutes, and now our masala looks absolutely ready. So now we're gonna fill it in our tomatoes, and I'm gonna show you how to fill it. And you have to fill it till the top. Put the stuffing inside the tomatoes, and now it's time to prepare the shell for our pakoda. And as you know, our shell for the pakoda is always made of gram flour, and the gram flour we have mixed it with water, and in it we're gonna add carom seed, red chili powder, salt, a pinch of baking soda. We're gonna put it in and then mix it. So now our tomatoes, we have put in the tomatoes in our gram flour paste, and now we're gonna fry it in oil. We have fried our pakodas, and now we have cut it into 2 parts, and now we have to fry it again so it becomes crispy from inside as well. Now guys, our pakodas are ready, and we have sprinkled some chaat masala over it, and we have tomato ketchup, and now I'm gonna taste it for you guys. Cheers.